Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelena. I know I've been missing MIA for a really long time, but I'm glad to be back, and I'll be hitting the new year hard. No, not really. I'm gonna be doing my best to, what am I talking about here? I don't even know. You painted paint like you smeared paint all over your face. I know what I'm talking about. I just start up this camera and here I go. All right. Yeah. I always do this every time I start a video. Regardless of what it is, I still be doing this. Now I'm yabbering on and I have no idea how to do this intro. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, I'm back. I'm back, guys. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, it's taking me so much to get to this point right now that I'm so happy to be back. I know I've been MIA for a long time. Really long time. Really long time. Really long time. And I'm just happy to be back, happy to be filming, happy to be getting back into my routine of things, and happy just to see you guys again and to be corresponding with you and to be talking to you and all that fun stuff. So and Happy New Year. I know it's like a month later, but it's into New Year's. So my New Year's resolution is to, 1, to be filming more, 2, drinking some more water, because we all know we need water, right? Because, you know, that's like detoxifying us of stuff, right? Okay. And there's a lot more. So why don't you guys let me know what your New Year's resolution is down below in the comments bar. And if you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button as well. Okay guys, so this video, enough of my yabbering. In this video I'll be doing an E.l.F haul for you. It's this big box, guys. I opened it up but I don't remember what's in it. Right, so it's this big box here. Right here. Big box. Okay, so let's get right into it. So, do you guys like my backgrounds? One of my favorite colors, yeah. Okay, so let's see what we got here. The trusty list here from E.l.F. Okay, so I got a pack of the wipes because I heard so much reviews on this and how well it is, how great it works. So I'll let you guys know about that. Let's see. Yes, it did come in a 2-pack. I gave one to my sister, don't. And I brought some brushes because, guys, I really need some makeup brushes, like, and to be getting back on my routine. You know when you're in that mom slouch for too long, like, you know, the sweatpants, the baggy clothes, and then when you wear some nice clothes and your husband's like, oh, you dress up today. And you're in the house, it's like, oh, maybe I should be dressing up a little more often, right? Getting back into my full makeup routine and all that kind of stuff, even if it's just something really light. You know how you get into that mom slump, right? Okay, enough of my yabbering. Okay, so I got this first brush is a crease brush. Let's see it there. Whoa, maybe that's it. Next brush that I got is a powder brush, guys. Let me just feel how this feels like. Since in the packaging, nice packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very nice and soft. Very soft. Not dense, but very soft. I don't want it too dense because, you know, when you pack it into the thing and it's like you get pigment all over it and you knock it out, and although you knock it out, it's like you painted paint like you smeared paint all over your face. Yeah, so I have to go light with that. We'll see. Next brush I got is a blending brush. Oh my gosh, guys, I needed this blending brush. I was using brushes that were falling apart at the joint here, and I needed a new one. So how was your guys' holidays and stuff? How did that go? See, it's nice and soft. Hey guys, we should do tea time in the nighttime, right? I think I'm gonna call this tea time. Tea time in the nighttime. I don't have my cup of tea. Wait, hold on. I gotta get my cup of tea. Tea time. Tea is a bit cold. I got one of those changing mug colors things. Actually, my husband got it, but I own it now because it's mine now because I use it more. So it's a Mario mug, and when you hot it up, guys, it changes colors. I just love that. This goes all blue, but it's cold right now, so tea time to you, tea time for me. Oh yeah, let's get to it. Okay, next I got a concealer brush, guys. For that crease here, right? That looks good. Next up, I got a fan brush, guys. You know how long I wanted a fan brush? A fan brush. Yes, a fan brush. I'm starting to say that with my West Indian accent. Oops. Ooh, that look like I'm gonna. Ooh, yes, senorita. Put on some highlighter and just. Okay. Next up, I have a blending brush. Legit, guys, it says blending brush on it. I know it's the light is reflecting off of here, guys. My apologies. Oh, look, it's coming in a little plastic thing here. Ooh, very soft, guys, very soft. Look at that. We'll see how that works. Next up, I got a blending brush. And another blending brush, guys. Blend brush. Oh, I got a blending perfector, and this is a blending brush, guys. I got this when it was like half off, shipped here to Canada, but God, with it sometimes it's not worth it because I'm gonna do my mouth right now. That looks good, guys. When we test it out, we can find out, right? Next up is a blurring brush. Why did I get a blurring brush again? Remind me. This just looks like the other brush I got. Where is it? Just, oh no, just, yeah, this one's more wider and this one's more, this is the blurring brush, guys. Blur out some of my extra stuff on my face. Oh, I already got some stuff on it, guys. This is my face brush. Yeah. Oh, that's really nice, guys. Oh yeah, that looks good. That is looking good. Next up is a highlighting brush. So I wanted a fan brush mostly, and then I saw the rest of these guys and I got this as well. See, I just want a little bit, like, you know, my nose, just right here, right here. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay, and next I got an extra highlighting brush, I think. I got an extra highlighting brush. I got 2 highlighting brushes, so I might be doing a giveaway, guys. So this might be inside there. Okay, stay tuned for that. Oh, I was looking for that. Next up is a contour brush, and guys, I'm pretty sure I got a contour kit. And I'll just show it to you somewhere here or somewhere there. I got a contour palette and from E.l.F as well, and also the blush palette as well. So take your little darker color of the contour and you just put it in there. Like that. Okay, and up here and up here. And down here, and down here. Okay. Guys, yes, that's it. Alright guys, and I did get a mascara, guys. Oh, let's see that. I probably took it out in the box because I got so excited. Okay, so that's it for my video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for you guys who still stuck by me and are still here and are still watching. And for those new subscribers, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. And don't forget to comment below. What's your New Year's resolution? What did you guys want to do? Mine is just to make sure I keep on top of my game here and to be drinking some more water, because I love doing this and you guys love it, and we're gonna continue. Alright, catch you guys later.